Yeah, Sunday, August 27th, up here at my little building. It is a haulage day. Sign came in for my front parking lot. No trucks beyond this point. Striping machine came in. Still waiting on the paint. It was very reasonable in price, by the way. Something I forgot. I got all my boat covers came in to cover up all of my tools. So everything's under a cover. Help keep it clean, except the lawn equipment, the tiller, the lawnmower, and the chipper, tiller. Obviously, they're going to get dirty every time they're used, so I'm not real concerned about them. Now, this thing here, can't get it all in a single frame, is something I built back in 1989. I just got out of the Navy and desperately seeking a job, and I had to keep my mind occupied. So I made several of these, a couple for myself. This one I gifted to my dad. Now, of course, he passed away several years ago, and it was sitting in his backyard. My stepmother passed away coming up on 2 years ago, right around this time. And now we're trying to clear the estate, and my stepbrother, stepsister didn't want it. I said, well, if y'all don't mind, I'd like to go get it. I can put it at my little building and throw on some bird feeders and feed my little birds by my bird bath. And they were okay with that. I had to pick this thing up across my shoulders to carry it. Apparently I was a lot stouter 30-something years ago, about 34 years ago, I guess. It's kind of heavy. I do remember I used 1/4-inch wall tubing, so it got some weight to it. These little plates on the bottom I designed as being sacrificial in case it was set directly on the ground, and they need to be cut off and replaced. That's no big deal. I got some flat bar I can use for that, and it needs to be sanded and painted. Just so happens I have some of that good Sherwin-Williams safety yellow, which is what I used back in the day, so I can paint it. And I got one bird feeder on it. I'll get another cheap bird feeder at Walmart, stick on there. Just use 2 instead of 4. And so the birds have a place to roost, get a bite to eat, and get a drink out of the bird bath. So this is just a little fill-in project. Once I get done with the parking lot, which I'm almost done, then I can get started on this and change the feet and go on. I get some brick or something to set it on so it's not sitting on the dirt. I'm pretty sure when I replace the feet, it will outlast me. I doubt I'm going to make it to 96 years old. But I'll just make it look decent. And but yeah, I definitely built it to last. A little sunburst on the top. I was free-handed. Turned out okay. I think so. A little Art Deco effect. But yeah, minor repair and a coat of paint. It's as good as it was when I built it 30-something years ago. Anyway, now wife and I get to go to Walmart. It's all for this one. Thank you.